on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we are heading to Gridlife, Laguna, Seca. So yeah, sadly no Mustang content. It's gonna be a pretty good event. I went here last year and yeah, it was pretty good turnout. I think it was the first year they did it at Laguna, Seca, so it was a really good turnout. A lot of cars went. I think TJ Hunt was there, a bunch of YouTubers. I think Dustin was there, DDD. So yeah, very excited. About to see some drifting. I feel like I haven't seen drifting in person in a while. I haven't been into like any events this year. I've been honestly just hiding, I guess, building and trying to like not really go out, I guess, trying to like really be disciplined and strict on the grind. So yeah, but very excited to get to this event. I'm like 55 minutes away, so, and I was gonna take the Mustang out, but I don't know. I really feel like it's not ready to be shown off to, like, I guess, other people. So yeah, I feel like it's nowhere near at all, at least in my eyes. There's still like so much shit I want to do to that car. But being on the topic of the Mustang, what do you guys think about throwing a big wing on it? Because I don't know if I really showed the back of the car much, but in my eyes, the wide body makes the car just look so naked without like a duckbill or like a wing or something. So I'm really thinking about throwing a big wing on it. And honestly, I don't know, I've always wanted to have a big wing on a car, so I honestly think it's like perfect. Like, I don't know why I'm even like second guessing it, because I know it's gonna look crazy, especially with the wide body and everything. And I'm gonna throw Euro lights on there, because the red's not like flowing with the whole like dark theme and stuff. So I need to get the big wing, and I think I'm gonna get the Euro lights, and I think that's gonna like that's gonna complete the rear end. All right, finally made it in after a pretty long ass line. Got our parking pass, wristband. Excited. I feel like I haven't been around like other cars and done like a car event in a while, so pretty pumped. And Gridlife's fucking sick, honestly. It's so sick too, because at this event, or I think at any Gridlifes, you can actually camp there. So you see everybody with their tents, their Sprinter vans, which that shit's goals to me. Having your trailer and just race for the weekend, that honestly, that's straight up a dream. Plane's beautiful, S15. I'm sure you guys all see this car. This car's like iconic, I feel like, but so sick. I love how he has still like stands. Literally like what I want to do with the Mustang, little American Mustang JDM. Got Larry Chen right here spotting some crazy footage. Look at this camera rig. Look how wild that is. He's getting all the angles. Crazy ass footage. But I wanted to check out this carbon Kevlar Audi. What the fuck? I feel like that's super different. You don't ever see like an Audi drifting, especially if it's carbon Kevlar. That's super sick. Oh, we got Justin Pollock. God damn, that's sick. God damn. Seeing that car alone makes me so fucking happy. Fuck, man. It just gives me chills. Seeing like, I don't know, I love drifting. There's just nothing like drifting. Smelling everything, hearing all the cars. It's so fucking sick being out here. This guy's setup is goals. He owns this, and I think the owner of it, I think he used to own Illis, or is the owner of Illis. But yeah, he has beautiful Porsches. He has the new 992 GT3 RS. But yeah, he has a whole Sprinter van, and then he has these one trailers that have airbags. I forgot the name of them, but yeah, goals right here. Literally having that set up, that's perfect. He's literally in there camping, watching TV, has Wi-Fi and everything. And then just wakes up, starts the race car up, and goes on the track. I don't know, that is so sick. Gotta go find a decent spot to go see him drift because this track's a little weird. The corkscrew's cool to see him drift, but where I'm at right now is far. So it's a mission. So got TJ Hunt's beautiful GT3. Purple on the gold. We got Nate's beautiful FRS with 2J. This thing is so beautiful, well built. It's just built so clean and nice and organized. Super well built car. And it's just beautiful. I think I'm gonna do that same color in my car, that Steli paint, and you can weld over it and everything. So I think it just makes the car look super clean and like well put together with that color, especially with my car being black and everything. I think that's gonna be like a nice little touch. And it's a spray can, so it's just real quick and easy, honestly. We have Justin Pollock's Mustang. I'm over here trying to take notes on every little thing. Because damn, this thing is fucking wild and so well put together too. Got the wheel wells on there, running the dual caliper. See how much space he has in here. I feel like compared to mine with the radiator and everything up front, he takes out so much and opens it all up. It's crazy how much room there is. I'm telling you, when you look at mine, there's nothing. Like it's wild. Have you guys seen the Coyote? You see how he does the carbon roof too? You guys can see it from the inside. That's something I really want to do, but that shit is expensive. I think it's like almost 2K for just the cover. But I'm gonna be doing these taillights with that trunk too. But not with the little wing either. That's not the one. I'm just gonna be a flat carbon wing with the big wing on it. So I think it's gonna look crazy. But Justin's car is wild. It just sounds so loud. It's crazy. All I'm saying, this better be the best pizza I've ever had. I probably waited in line for like 40 minutes, probably almost an hour right now for this pizza. I'm over here sunburned just from that. So let's fuck this pizza up. Like, it's just crazy. The car is literally like wild. Like, this shit is like, I can stare at it all day. It's so fucking nice. This shit sounds so crazy. God damn. Literally had a big ass smile on my face. That shit is so sick. Ford GT. God damn. That shit looks like a fucking UFO. Yeah, that's the headlight. Literally, it just does little things. That is fucking just crazy. Literally such a crazy car. Like, look at all that. Before you even get into the car, you gotta step, like, holy fuck. That's crazy. Fuck. It's literally.
Yeah, these cars are just, for the price point, they are high performance, low performance.
Look how huge the wing is. And the wing literally connects from down there and everything. It's wild. See the tires from right there? Damn. This G82 is super clean. Wing on it. Like a carbon buckets. Damn, that shit looks sick with the steering wheel. Fuck, that shit is super sick. But I think I'm still picking a G80. That was crazy. M2. Hey. Whole fender cut out. Really stripped down and everything. Brand new. That's cool. The cage matches the color. Damn, I love those steering wheels, how it looks. With the big screen too and everything. Fuck. I really like these. I like those M2s. I don't know. I've been feeling BMWs. I'm not gonna lie, honestly. I really want to build one. It's either they're probably like M2 or G80, but I don't know. And not make it too crazy, but still enjoyable. Like I don't know. I feel like a G80 is perfect, or an F80, or I was even thinking about a Corvette. I don't know. But I kind of want to build another car because the Mustang's honestly fucking too wild to be even driving it. Like it's just pretty much gonna be a track car, I guess. So yeah, I do want a new, somewhat daily boat car. That's sick. So let me know what you guys think. This shit is literally goals. They're literally towing his fucking race car, but then be able to like camp, sleep, and have internet and Wi-Fi. Everything in there is just so sick. I don't know. In my eyes, that shit is goals. I'm sure if you guys all seen this car. I think it was at SEMA last year. It has a Honda motor in it. I think his name's Mike. He owns that RS Motorsport. But yeah, he's posted on YouTube and stuff. I've watched a few of his series on the build. But yeah, he's a good ass fabricator, good ass builder and everything. But yeah, has a Honda motor in it. Turbo. It's pretty sick. Really sick, honestly. And carbon manifold. I think it's wild. You got this R33, a 4-door. I'm pretty sure it's Mickey's from Throttle. But yeah, this thing is super sick. And I feel like it's rare. I feel like you don't see these at all, especially a 4-door. You don't even see 33s that often. So it's sick to see this, honestly, a 4-door. Got the RB26 in it, all the little carbon goods. I just want so many cars, honestly. It's just crazy. Yeah, man, it smells super good in there. Has a Ricardo's in there. Super sick car, honestly. White on white. Alrighty, well that's a wrap on Gridlife 2024. Honestly, a crazy turnout. It was a super good event. I got here a little late, so I feel like I missed a lot of the beginning stuff, but I think I did get enough footage. Super good turnout, had a lot of fun. Crazy ass cars. That shit just motivates me to like hurry up and get my car done, because yeah, I want to drive so bad, and that shit just motivating. But super fun turnout.